Inspired by high 1 voltage 1 rules, photonic induction and ain't big ain't clever, I got my hands on one of these washing machine pressure switches. It's basically a pneumatic pneumatic pressure switch basically. You got a 2-function switch. This one is single pole double throw times 2. And I didn't find a proper air bellows because, well, I did find one on Radio Shack, but they couldn't ship to Sweden. So I got my hands on one of those fuel primer pumps that I just ripped the valves out of, and I blocked one end, and it makes quite nice little bellows. And then I got 5 meters of PVC hose here. I am going to build this into a box with a contactor and things, but this is just a proof of concept. So if we squeeze this, got the 2 switch functions, and it's actually rather nice. It's kind of sensitive, and I can easily operate this with my foot if I want to. It's very squeezable. It's actually quite nice. It's a bit more heavy duty than one of those little like foot pedal air bellows that you use for laser labs and things, but this is a bit less stationary and more like hand friendly and things. It's just nice and squeezable, and yeah, it'll be a nice little high voltage safe switch for tinkering with dangerous things. So yeah, just thought I would share that with you. Gonna do an update on this when I put it into a proper box with a nice contactor and things, and maybe even a key interlock and some binding posts and probably a proper mains jack for hooking up my Mott box and things. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching.